Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog, another video. Today's install is going to be something pretty cool. So they're little fender vents, or they're little, I guess they're like blinkers inside the fender vents. Shout out to FT86 for sending these over. These should look pretty dope. Really hope you guys are enjoying these last few videos. It's just been a bunch of little installs every day. Really making the car come together, really tying everything in. And these should really put some icing on the cake. Let's jump into the shop and check these things out. So here's the box they come in. Nice little box, pretty dope. They're made by CoPlus. I'm sure you guys want to wait till the end of the video to see if you want to buy these things or not, but I'll let you guys know right now. I'll have these linked down in the description box below, so make sure you guys go pick up a set. I think they were like $150, and I was trying to find a nice set forever, as you guys know, and they were all around that same price, and these ones have blinkers installed. So let's open these things up real quick, see how they look. I'm pretty stoked on these things, guys. So where's the freaking tripod out? There it is. As you can see, I still haven't got that diffuser situation figured out. It's on there, it's kind of just sitting on there, it's flopping around, but look at it, fits like shit. So exhaust looks good though. Look at exhaust, look how freaking wide this thing is. That is crazy. Let's get to work, boys. Very nice packaging. Oh, I'm too stoked for these things. Oh wow, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. That's gonna look so sick on the car. So this blinker, that is the blinker right there. Should be pretty sweet. I gotta figure out how to wire these things up though. It's kind of my main concern right now. So sent us a big harness right here. Let me set the camera back down. Sent us a harness right here. Don't really know how it goes, but I'm sure I can figure it out. I'm guessing they go to the factory little blinkers up front. Just my guess. So there's two harnesses. Let's just look at the little instructions real quick. All it says is connect it to the car connector. Well, I hope they don't connect to the factory blinkers, because as you guys know, I cut my factory blinkers off, the wiring for them, but I'm kind of guessing they do, so oh well. Let's get these factory ones removed. I'll show you guys how that is done. First thing we're going to do to get these factory ones removed, this backside is just held on by double side tape. I've already had these off, so that tape is kind of already removed. But after that, they just unclip. I literally wrap these things just for the color reveal video. Let's grab this one, kind of set it up on there, and see how it's gonna look. That wiring will probably run through there, is my guess. Doesn't really look much different, except for the blinker part. I do like these little vents here though. That kind of adds some style to the car. I can appreciate that. But what I need to do, guys, is get this factory double side tape off. So for now, I'm just gonna kind of roll it off with my finger, and then I'll use some Goo Gone or lacquer thinner or something on it. Alright guys, that is all cleaned up. Obviously the install is going to be pretty easy. The only thing I'm concerned with is wiring, because it connects to that factory blinker, which I have cut off because I am not using it. So at least I think I cut it off. I'm gonna rip off the front bumper and try to figure out what to do up here. So I did not end up cutting it off, thankfully. That's super awesome. So all I'm gonna do is disconnect it, and it taps in here. So that's going to my headlight now instead of the factory blinker. But as you can see here, guys, there's two plugins. The one end just goes to this. They make this so freaking easy. I love companies like this. Other side goes to there. And technically we should have power. As you can see, guys, both blinkers are working. That's all we need to do. Alright, now that we got that figured out, all we have to do is run some wiring. So I'm gonna disconnect this here, and we gotta run this wiring, this long cord here. We're gonna run that. Oh, okay, this is easy. Let me run this real quick and I'll show you guys where I ran it. So right now I'm going up behind the headlight. So I got that wire from the harness down there through the headlight, or behind the headlight, and it came out right here. And then that wire ran through that hole there, and it comes out right here. And all you have to do is connect these two right back here. Super simple. Let's get those connected real quick. Connect these two wires, and then we have this little heat shrink stuff. We're gonna run over it and then heat shrink that in a second. So done. Let's run these. I'm running these wires. Can you guys see? I'll show you in a second. Alright guys, I have to still have to heat shrink that, but right now I want to move on to this section here. So what I need to do, the factory fender thing has, or the factory vent has all the clips on it, so let's grab that. All these clips here, we're just gonna slide right on out. and then put these onto the new blinker, or the new vent. They come out pretty easy, shouldn't be difficult at all. Now we can take our clips, put them on this vent here. They're all the same, guys. It doesn't matter where they go. Slide them on. They make this so easy. I love how they added all that wiring in there. Just so simple to do. So just clip it right on in. Now this 3M tape, peel all the backing off. Like I always say, this is the hardest thing for me. Don't know why. Come on, get off there. Okay, so let's tuck that wiring back up there. It should sit in there pretty nicely. Okay, now we're gonna start clipping these clips in. So start at the front and work our way toward the back. And just like that, guys, we are done. Let's turn on the blinker, make sure it works. That is super, super sick. Okay, guys, the same exact process goes for the passenger side as well. We already have the bumper off, so that's gonna make it probably like a 5-minute, 7-minute, 8-minute install, 9-minute install. Show you pretty damn simple, and then when it's all said and done, I'll show you how everything looks. I got these pretty sick taillights on there as well. So with all these insane looking blinkers, this car is just really, really coming together. I'm just gonna run a time lapse for the other side. Same exact process, guys. Oh, don't forget to heat shrink that little wiring cover we have here. Alright guys, as you can see, everything is looking amazing on this car. I finally got it down on the ground. The only thing left to do, like I was saying earlier, is heat shrink those connections. And that's all you have to do, guys. Everything else is done. We are ready to go. We are ready for action. I freaking absolutely love these little lights here. They look amazing, especially with that black stripe I got going on there. Don't mind, I keep getting a lot of questions about this and where my mirrors are. Still waiting on the APR mirrors to show up, guys, so give me some time. I'll get some mirrors on this thing. Yeah, I think that's about ready to sum up this video. If I don't have the diffuser video up yet, quick little update on that. I don't know if I have it up yet or not. My whole video thing's kind of messed up right now, but I contacted the manufacturer who sent me this replica diffuser, told them about the situation, sent them photos, and apparently the batch that they made, I sent them a tag to, the picture of the tag on the diffuser. They said the batch they made of this diffuser was messed up, so they're sending me a new one for free. I'll probably throw that one in the garbage unless someone wants it. You could get it to fit, you can, but it would be pretty tough too. So yeah, if anyone wants that thing, let me know, hit me up, and we can figure something out. Just pay for shipping or something, and I'll get it shipped out to you. Or if you're local, come grab it for free. Yeah, that is gonna wrap this video right here, guys. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that thumbs up button down below. Like I said earlier, I'm pretty sure I said it like 10 times now. I'll have these linked in the description box below. They are super sick, guys. In my opinion, they're cooler than carbon fiber ones, so make sure you go check that link out. 150 bucks. Solid deal. All right, I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. Enough talking. See you guys in the next one.